How to correctly create a template in Pandadoc. To create a template in Pandadoc, it's very easy because most of the enterprise businessman use this Pandadoc to create the templates, right? To edit the templates. So right now you can see I'm into the dashboard of Pandadoc here. And once I'm here, for example, if you're working solely, then the interface will be look like this. But if you have a team, then just go to the team dashboard and each and everything will be shown here, right? So I'll just go to my overview section, and here you can see these are my two templates, which is a business plan contract. But to create a template, it's very easy. So for example, I will just go to my home. If you're not able to find the option of template in the top bar, it's fine. You can just go and select here, which is a template gallery on the left side. So just click on template gallery, and here you can see a lot of template is available according to your requirements. So for example, I'm a real estate agent, so I will just write here real estate and just hit the enter, and on the dashboard on the page you will able to see a lot of templates, right? So you don't need to click and open each and everything because it's take very time. You can just take a view from it, and if you like something, for example, this is look pretty nice and this one look, yeah, pretty good. So I will just click on preview just to check out that whether the template is according to my requirement or not. Yeah, it's very simple and I think it's on the point, right? So I'll just, once I'm satisfied with my template, I can just save to my template, or I can just create a document on this template. So once I click on create a document, it will ask me to rename this. I will just like to keep it as it is, and it will just take a very few seconds to create a template. And once my template is ready, you can see on the screen right now, I can just edit it. On the right side, you will see a lot of option to edit it, and you can just edit it each and everything, right? So this is how you can do it. If you want to remove this Pandadoc, I can just remove it, and I can just add a lot of features and everything which I offer to my clients, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.